Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to be using the Pure Plus yogurt maker to make a traditional Japanese favorite. It's called Natto and it's made with fermented soybeans. It's a very easy and simple process, but there is a little bit of time involved. I'm going to show you how to do it for yourself at home now. So I'm going to start with the soybeans. I've got 500 grams of dried organic soybeans and I need to soak them overnight. So I'm just going to put them into a bowl. I'm going to cover them with some water and then I'm going to remove any impurities that I can see and get rid of any beans that are discolored. Cover the bowl and let them soak overnight until they double in size. I've had these soybeans soaking overnight. They've doubled in size, which is what we're looking for. I'm going to drain these off now. Traditionally, you would steam the beans. So if you've got a really big steamer at home or you have the means to do that, then go ahead and do that. That's definitely a great way to keep the shape of the bean and to cook it really gently. Today though, I'm just going to boil them. Place the beans into a large pot and cover them with water. Bring them to a simmer and let them gently cook for 2.5 to 3 hours. When the beans are ready, strain them through a clean colander and rinse them. Then set them aside to cool to below 45 degrees Celsius. So I've gotten through the hard part and these soybeans are now ready to go into the yogurt maker with the starter culture. I've got 1 gram of organic natto starter, which I'm going to stir through the soybeans. That's going to help ferment. If you don't have access to this, then you could also use a little bit of store-bought natto to act as your starter culture. Before you move on, it's really important to make sure all of your equipment and utensils are sterilized. So that's the yogurt maker jar and any sorts of spoons or spatulas that you might be using as well. Add 1 gram of natto starter powder to your soybeans and stir through thoroughly. Then put the soybeans into the yogurt container and place it into the yogurt machine with the lid off. Natto needs oxygen to help the fermentation process, so leaving the lid off will help get the best result. Fill the water bath up to the tall line indicator with water, and then set the yogurt maker temperature to 40 degrees Celsius and the time to 24 hours. Once the fermentation time has finished in the yogurt maker, remove it carefully and place it in the fridge for another day to mature and continue its ferment. After that day, it'll be ready to eat. After 24 hours in the fridge, this natto is now ready to eat. I'm going to open up this lid and show you what it looks like. You can see here that iconic stringy texture, and that's exactly what we're looking for. It's hard to describe the taste of natto. It's a little bit funky and nutty and a tiny bit sweet, and it has that familiar fermenty smell to it as well. So this is another great way to use your yogurt machine to make something other than yogurt. This is a great gut-friendly snack or side dish that you can enjoy at any time of day. A lot of people enjoy it with some soy sauce or spring onions, something to add a little bit of flavor and flair to it. This will keep in the fridge for 5 to 7 days as is, or you can portion it out and put it in the freezer for up to 2 years. I hope this was an interesting video for you today, something a little bit different from the Luvele kitchen. Give it a go for yourself at home and let us know how you went in the comments section below. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more Luvele life recipes. And if you enjoyed this video today, then go ahead and give it a like for us. We'll catch you again really soon with another Luvele recipe.